Hi everybody and welcome to today's elevaTOURS by DieselDucy mini hotel tour. This is the Microtel at the Charlotte airport and we're gonna take a look at the room here. I think we can get in the door back here. Notice elevator. Classic level, room 312. I believe it's down this way. Interior corridor. And this is what the room looks like. So let's go ahead and start taking a look around this room. Start off with the bathroom. Does it have a lighted mirror? Oh yeah, it does. Nice for shaving, but I don't really like the cool temperature. Here's the sink. Toilet is clean. It's a Niagara. Let's make sure it flushes right. You can tell this used to have a bathtub, but they did this. Shower pressure is plenty adequate. And now we're going to look at the room itself. Typical Microtel room. I wish they had warm LEDs here, but it is what it is. LG flat screen TV. I really like this right here. This is nice. Closet. Microwave. Ooh, a Black & Decker fridge. That's a nice one. What kind of climate control do we have? A Mana. It's nice. And here's a view out the window. And this is a view of the window, of the room from this side. Ooh, I like this. Wall-mounted thermostat. A little reading light. Bed's a little firm, but this is the point of the hotel tour where a lot of hotels hide their dirty little secrets. We know the Detroit Marriott Hotel and the Ascend in Chincoteague hid some dirty little secrets. Let's see if the Microtel at the Charlotte airport is hiding any dirty little secrets. But first, we have a good book down there. And what's this? Oh, is this a novel or something? Or is this another religious book? If it is, that's pretty cool. Let's pull back the first layer. As expected, this is clean. The only hotel I've ever pulled this back and it not be clean is the Detroit Marriott. Pillows are kind of mediocre. They're clean, but they're mediocre. Now let's look at this. Not a single hair. So far, so good. Plastic mattress cover. And again, not a single hair. And I believe this is zippered on. If it's zippered on, I'm not going to pull it off, but I will have to say, the Microtel at the Charlotte airport passes my cleanliness test. Very clean. The carpet's clean. The floor is clean. So this is definitely a clean hotel. And after taxes, I only paid $80 for this room with a king bed. So I will have to say I am definitely very happy with this hotel room. So with that being said, sorry this was so short, but I hope you got an idea of what to expect from this hotel. So until next time, Bye, y'all. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye, y'all.